Our manufacturing process begins with the making of the doors, and all of that data and programming logic is fed from Microvellum and sends the Microvellum information to the machines, and we're able to cut and make very good use of full sheets of MDF.
So prior to QTK adopting the MDF door library from Microvellum, we are producing all our doors in AlphaCam through Automation Manager. It's an additional process before a work order is released in production. I believe in 2018, we adopted the MDF door library from Microvellum. In a large portion, 80% of our manufacturing is simply treated no different than a simple cabinet gable. The programming is in Microvellum. It's tried and true. We release into production, a door is made. We make French mullions through Microvellum. We do glass doors. We've done some very simple but elegant mullions using just Microvellum's programming. The benefit is that instead of it landing on someone's desk between engineering and released into production, we've eliminated for most of my doors that step, which has streamlined the work order process when it comes to MDF doors.
And all of that CNC machining is handled via Microvellum post-processors. So this provides us with the flexibility to be able to produce multiple kitchens a day with very little downtime, even if machines break down.